everyone, welcome to Tangle in Talents. Do you know why I have disguised as a cat? I know a lot of people love to have pet at their home and most of them love to have a cat. They are very fluffy and playful and they share positive vibes. Every cat is unique. With just a few simple steps, you will learn step by step how to make a cute cartoon cat. So what are you waiting for? Let's begin! Okay, so I'm on my art table and my art supplies are ready. Here's a color pencil box, some highlighters, marker to draw with, and an art pad page. I'm drawing with marker, but you can draw with crayon or color pencil or pencil. So let's begin with drawing a male cat. So I'm drawing a male cat first. And for this, we have to start with the face, and the face is going to be an oval shape. So after making oval, I'm going to draw two small circles for the eyes. You can leave a little bit white inside for the eyeballs and make sure you make both the eyes of same size. Now we will make a triangle nose, and for this we have to go straight, slanty line going down and one slanty line connecting this line. Wow, I'm done with my small cute nose. Now we have to make the mouth, and for this we have to go down from here, straight line, and like an L shape we will make a round. Same from the other side, going down and round. Now we're going to make two ears on the corner of the face like this. Make a slanty line and one more slanty line like this. Go up and bring it down. Now we need to make whiskers. I'm making 1, 2, and 3 whiskers. 1, 2, 3. Now let's make the body. And for the body we need to make a big oval. Like this. Can you make an egg shape? Now we will make handies. One hand going like this down inside the body and one going like this and turn it. Make the paws line. Now same for the other side. Go down, one more line and around. The legs showing from behind like this, just like a curvy line, like a C. Is it ready? Oh, I missed the tail. Let's make the tail. Go straight and round and up. Let's make a round from here and turn it. Bring the same line together and close it. Now it's time to color our cat. So which color do you want to color your cat? Think. I want to color orange because I want to make like a Garfield cat. And I'm going to take brown color for designs. So let's make some designs. You can make any design on the cat. You can make stripes, you can make dots, patches. Let's do it on the ears also. Make sure you don't put the color outside. Color inside the lines, okay? Now, let's do orange all over the face and the body. See the direction of my coloring. I'm doing like this. And if you are doing like this, so keep doing in same direction. Don't go like this, then this. Keep doing in same direction. And now we need to do the nose. Let's do the nose black. Yes, our cat is ready. Now we're gonna start with our female cat, and it's going to be a furry, white, beautiful cat. So let's start with the face. First we'll make eyes, and eyes are going to be a little bit different, like go straight and make a rainbow shape and make a curve inside the line. Let's make another eye and make a curvy line inside. And you can make lashes. Now we need to make a small nose, a triangle nose going straight and down, and connect this dot to this dot, and we'll make the mouth like going down and around from this side. Now let's do it from the other side. Wow! Now on the top, first we'll make the ears. So keep your pencil a little bit above your eyes over here, and let's make a slanty line going up and a slanty line going down. Same over this eye. We'll make a slanty line going up and down. And let's join it with some zigzag lines. Because this is a furry cat, so we need to make some zigzag lines over here. Zigzag, zigzag, coming down. And let's join it. Now we need to make one more triangle inside the ears. And whiskers. And the body is going to be a big oval. And go straight down for the hands of our cat. And one more line and make a round. Make 3 lines inside it. Go down, one more line and join it with a round. Now let's make a round shape over here for the legs. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's make a bushy tail. Zigzag, zigzag. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. And I want to make a cute bow on her head. So let's make a circle and let's make a slanty line going up and bring it down. Go up. Yes, my kitty is ready. I want to make a white cat. So I'm not going to color inside this cat, but I'm going to color the bow, ears, eyes, and nose. So let's do pink on the nose. And pink inside the ears. Let's do blue in the eyes, leaving a little bit white space for the eyeball. And let's do pink with the highlighter. You can use your marker. Isn't it looking so cute? I love my cat. This looks like my cat Fiona. Ta-da! My cat is ready. And after making the drawing of the cat, you can even make the background. And in the background, you can make things that cat likes to play with or what it likes to eat. Like I have drawn chicken, ball, yarn. Here, my cat has a milk bowl and she is thinking about fish. So cool! I hope you enjoyed learning step-by-step drawing with me. Follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. And subscribe to my channel for more art activities. Bye-bye till my next video.